Feeling chained to your chair during long work hours? The Veken 55-inch large electric standing desk might be your key to freedom. With a seamless height adjustment from 28.3 to 46.5 inches, you can effortlessly switch between sitting and standing, perfect for keeping your energy up and your focus sharp throughout the day. Now let's talk about assembly. It's a breeze. Pre-drilled holes, clearly labeled parts, and a detailed manual make setup straightforward. One user even assembled theirs in under 30 minutes, praising the thoughtful inclusion of spare parts. Clutter is a productivity killer, but not with this desk. Its integrated cable management system keeps your workspace neat and tangle-free, allowing you to concentrate on what really matters. And the customizable memory presets mean you can set your perfect height at the touch of a button. Priced at just $129.72, this desk is an investment in your well-being, helping you create a healthy, ergonomic environment. Real customers rave about the quality, noting the desk's smooth operation and the ease of assembly. However, note that the desktop comes in two pieces, which might not be everyone's cup of tea. Ready to elevate your workspace and boost your productivity? Check out the link in the description to make this desk yours today.